Today, we're bringing you on location with us for a sneak peek at a job we're working on here in the lower Florida Keys. We do many jobs for income while stationary and traveling, but jobs like these in beautiful places are by far our favorite.
We have arrived.
If you have the will and a moment to spare, it's a beautiful world out there. It's a beautiful world out there.
We are currently in Stock Island at a gig filming a steel drummer at a wedding, and we're just kind of looking for where we're supposed to be right now. All right, we're here at Stock Island doing a gig, and we decided to bring you along for the day. We haven't been filming much lately for our own channel because we've been working on other people's channels, and so we're brought out here today to film a steel drummer for a wedding. Last week, Nick was up in Isla Mirada filming for 11 hours at a different wedding. So it's currently what we have been up to, and today I am sneaking in while he's doing a filming gig. He usually does the filming and I do the editing. We'll see what he's up to today, and then we're going to spend the rest of the evening in Key West having dinner and then helping a friend move a few items out of his apartment. He's relocating to New Orleans, so we're going to do that while we're down here. Since it's a bit of a drive for us to get down here, we make the most of our day. There he is. Right behind you.
Hey, how you doing? Is that comfortable? You like 30? It's alright. I'll spare if you want. Perfect.
Such a beautiful day. They're gonna have a great wedding here in about an hour.
What was her name? Lynn?
Yeah.
So I'm supposed to get some shots of her too?
That's what it said after you record
Like
3 of
vocal
it.
shots or just...
It said B-roll. I don't know, read it
I
again.
think it was B-roll.
Can you send me that note?
Yeah, sure.
For this particular gig, we're collecting a series of videos that will become advertising reels and YouTube shorts for a wedding DJ that works with this amazing steel drummer.
And we're just about to start a small wedding. It's in a yacht club, and it's out near the ocean here. It's a small beach where they actually have no power. So I thought about this video show a little small setup that is battery operated, so we are flexible about providing the entertainment with power, but through a battery system. So we're going to do a little sound check now before the guests arrive. And the bride, she requested like a Bob Marley song when she comes down the aisle. So do a little sound check of One Love here.
pass on the dirty remarks. There is one question I really like to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinner who have hurt all mankind to save his own beliefs? One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright.
That's a wrap. We got it all. I was laughing because there's these beautiful people that are getting having their wedding, and then they hired people to film the wedding, and then those people hired me to film them filming the wedding, and I hired Jacqueline to film me filming them filming the wedding. Just kind of silly. What a gig. I love it.
Film chain.
Yeah, it's a film chain.
Now that our work is done for the day, it's time to reward ourselves with a tasty meal and catch the sunset before grabbing a few items for a friend at his vacant apartment and heading home.
I forgot to film.
Life is good, my friends.
As another day draws to a close, with the sun dipping below the horizon, casting its golden glow over the tranquil waters of Key West, we're filled with gratitude for the opportunity to do what we love in a stunning place. Here's to chasing dreams, capturing beauty, and cherishing every sunset. Until the next sunrise, keep filming, keep dreaming, and keep embracing the beauty that surrounds you. Good night. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing so you'll never miss another episode. And we'll see you next Tuesday for another adventure.